Welcome guys, this is a video about changing improper fractions to mixed numbers by hand, and we're going to follow that up with a video using the calculator. So if you have the fraction 8/5, and you say this 8/5, so you say the top number 8, and then you say the bottom number as if that was your place in line. So picture yourself at the driver's license bureau and you're number 5. You would be 5th in line. You have to add that TH to the end of that number. So that's 8/5 is how we say that. And remember, this is your numerator. And this is your denominator. Top number, numerator, D for down, that's your denominator. And that this is actually a division problem. So in math, fractions are really just division problems. And you can write it as 8 divided by 5. Or you could write it as 8 divided by 5, where you, remember, you have to say this one from the inside out, and that's a common mistake. A lot of times we say 5 divided by 8, and that is incorrect. So we read this from the inside out, or from the right to the left. We read this one from left to right. Or you can say 8 divided by 5. All of those are the same math problem. Okay? Now, when we are changing it to a mixed number, we are going to write it as a division problem and work it the old-fashioned way. So we have 8/5, and we want to make that a mixed number. We're going to take the 8 is going to be underneath the division sign, and the 5 is going to be on the outside. 8 divided by 5. Have to do it this way. 5 goes into 8 how many times? 1. And you make it really tall. You got to be obnoxiously tall there. Then we multiply. So we divided, then we multiplied. 1 times 5 is 5. And then you want to subtract 8 minus 5, and your remainder is 3. So the 3 becomes your numerator, goes to the top of your new fraction that you're making here, and you keep the same denominator. So we read this as 1 and 3/5. 1 and 3/5. And that's how you change it by hand.